SAP Trends 2024 Unlocking Potential. Navigating the ever-evolving landscape of SAP. As businesses continue to adapt to a rapidly changing technological landscape, SAP remains at the forefront of enterprise software solutions. In 2024, we stand at the brink of remarkable innovation within the SAP ecosystem. This blog explores the important new trends and changes that will shape the future of SAP. It shows how Selection Consulting is ready to use these changes to help our clients. AI-driven automation, transforming business processes. In 2024, the integration of artificial intelligence into SAP systems is revolutionizing traditional business processes. AI-driven automation is streamlining operations, enhancing decision-making capabilities, and driving unparalleled efficiency across industries. Selection Consulting is at the forefront of this transformation, leveraging AI-powered SAP solutions to optimize workflows, reduce manual intervention, and unlock new levels of productivity for our clients. Cloud migration strategies, embracing scalability and flexibility. Cloud computing continues to gain momentum as businesses prioritize scalability, agility, and cost efficiency. In 2024, SAP Cloud offerings are witnessing widespread adoption as organizations migrate their operations to the cloud. Selection Consulting is spearheading this transition, offering tailored cloud migration strategies that enable seamless integration, enhanced security, and optimized performance within the SAP landscape. SAP S/4HANA, unlocking the power of intelligent ERP. SAP S/4HANA represents a significant milestone in the evolution of enterprise resource planning systems. With its in-memory computing capabilities and advanced analytics, S/4HANA empowers businesses to harness real-time insights, accelerate decision-making, and drive innovation. Selection Consulting is guiding organizations through the transition to SAP S/4HANA, ensuring a smooth migration process and unlocking the full potential of intelligent ERP for our clients. Blockchain integration, enhancing transparency and security. Blockchain technology is poised to revolutionize various aspects of enterprise operations, from supply chain management to financial transactions. In 2024, SAP is embracing blockchain integration, offering enhanced transparency, traceability, and security within its ecosystem. Selection Consulting is at the forefront of this paradigm shift, leveraging blockchain-powered SAP solutions to drive greater trust, efficiency, and accountability across business networks. Experience-driven innovation, elevating user engagement. In an era defined by digital transformation, user experience has emerged as a critical differentiator for businesses. SAP is prioritizing experience-driven innovation, focusing on delivering intuitive, personalized, and engaging user experiences across its applications. Selection Consulting is leading the charge in UX design and optimization within the SAP ecosystem, ensuring that our clients' solutions are not only functionally robust but also delightfully intuitive and user-friendly. SAP, pioneering the evolution of business models in 2024. In addition to driving operational efficiency and enhancing existing processes, SAP is playing a pivotal role in shaping the emergence of new business models in 2024. As organizations seek to innovate and adapt to evolving market dynamics, SAP solutions are empowering them to explore novel revenue streams, embrace disruptive technologies, and reinvent traditional business models. Industry-specific solutions. SAP offers a diverse portfolio of industry-specific solutions tailored to the unique needs and challenges of various sectors. From retail and manufacturing to healthcare and finance, these solutions enable organizations to capitalize on industry-specific trends, seize new opportunities, and stay ahead of the competition. Ecosystem collaboration. SAP Open Ecosystem fosters collaboration and innovation, allowing businesses to seamlessly integrate with partners, suppliers, and customers. By leveraging APIs, microservices, and cloud platforms, organizations can create interconnected ecosystems that drive value creation, faster innovation, and fuel growth in 2024 and beyond. Digital Transformation Enabler. SAP serves as a catalyst for digital transformation, enabling organizations to modernize their operations, embrace emerging technologies, and adapt to changing market dynamics. Whether it's implementing IoT solutions, harnessing the power of big data and analytics, or embracing machine learning and predictive analytics, SAP empowers businesses to embark on transformative journeys and unlock new business models. Agile and scalable infrastructure. SAP cloud-based infrastructure provides the agility and scalability required to support innovative business models in 2024. With flexible deployment options, elastic computing resources, and pay-as-you-go pricing models, organizations can quickly adapt to changing market conditions, scale their operations, and experiment with new business models without significant upfront investments. Customer-centric solutions. In an era defined by customer centricity, SAP solutions are designed to prioritize the needs, preferences, and experiences of customers. From personalized marketing campaigns and seamless omnichannel experiences to predictive maintenance and proactive customer support, SAP enables organizations to deliver exceptional customer experiences and drive loyalty in 2024 and beyond. In conclusion, SAP's role in the emergence of new business models in 2024 cannot be overstated. From industry-specific solutions and ecosystem collaboration to digital transformation enablement and customer centricity, SAP empowers organizations to innovate, adapt, and thrive in a rapidly evolving business landscape. As businesses continue to explore new revenue streams, embrace disruptive technologies, and reinvent traditional business models, SAP will remain a trusted partner in their journey towards success. Selection Consulting, your trusted partner in SAP innovation. As we look ahead to the future of SAP in 2024 and beyond, Selection Consulting remains committed to driving innovation, delivering value, and empowering our clients to thrive in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. See us on Design Rush.